Student, hope you are all okay and you are regularly studying at your home, and also you are watching my previous videos. In my previous videos I explain and solve question answer from your chapter 6, that is properties of triangles. Okay, now I am going to solve from same chapter, that is unit, and that unit is 6.3. So here given, see, find the value of the unknown exterior angles x in the following diagrams. Okay, so here given some diagrams in your book, textbook, it is given there. So from there I just draw this diagram and you have to find out x there. So see, take the first diagram. Okay, in this diagram you see, suppose ABC is a triangle. Okay, ABC eta triangle buli dhori lobo lage, tribhuj buli dhori lobo lage. Yat ki angle bilak dia ase tak ami sabo lage. So I am explaining both Assamese and English medium so that Assamese medium student also can able to understand this one and learn this one very easily. দুইটা মাধ্যমৰ ষ্টুডেন্ট সকলে যাতে বুজিব পাৰে। এতিয়া আমাক x টো লাগে মানে কি এক্সটাৰিয়ৰ এংগল, অৰ্থাৎ বাহিৰৰ ফালে থকাটো হলে ইন্টাৰিয়ৰ ভিতৰ ফালে থকাটো হল। যেতিয়া এক্সটাৰিয়ৰ এংগলবোৰ দিয়া থাকে আমি জানো যে আমি কি জানো সেই কথাটো চাব লাগে। So we know that what an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. That is your most important one. অর্থাৎ এই দুটা এংগল যোগ কৰি দিলে যেটো পোৱা যায় এই যোগফলৰ সমষ্টিটোৱে হয় এক্সটাৰিয়ৰ এংগলটো। এটো হল ট্ৰায়াঙ্গলছৰ এটা ধৰ্ম। ওকে, সো আমি ক'ব পাৰো therefore we can write, সেই কাৰণে আমি লিখিব পাৰো you write solution. So from this figure you can write, so write the property this one first. An exterior angle of a triangle, any triangle A B C P Q R, okay, you can give this name also, triangle is equal to the sum, okay, sum of its interior opposite okay angles অর্থাৎ ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত থকা ইয়াৰ বিপৰীতৰ যি ভিতৰত থকা অপোজিট এংগল গিটা ইন্টাৰিয়ৰ এংগল গিটা ইয়াৰ যোগফলৰ সমষ্টিটোই সদায় এক্সটাৰিয়ৰ এংগলটো মানটো হয়। এটো আমি চাব লাগে। So now we can write this one here given, see, therefore we can write x equal to, so according to this one we can write this one, these are interior angles, okay, interior angles, okay, then you can write this value. Suppose here given what 50, you write 50 degree plus 70 degree, this one. So this equal to what 120 degree. এই দুটা মানটো আমি ইয়াত বহুৱাই দিব লাগে, কিমানটা কোণ উৎপন্ন কৰিছে সেই কোণৰ মানটো ইয়াত বহুৱাই দিব লাগে, আৰু বহুৱাই দি যে যোগফল পাম সেইটোই হ'ব এই এক্সটাৰিয়ৰ এংগলটোৰ মান, অৰ্থাৎ এইটোৰ মান। we need the value of this one, how many angle producing this one, এইটোৱে কিমান ডিগ্ৰী কোণ কৰিছে সেইটো আমাৰ উলিয়াব লাগে। গতিকে আমি এইটোত কিমান পালো 120 degree. So that is your answer, that is why your answer is what this one. So unknown exterior angle x in the diagram. So in this diagram, so unknown exterior angle x, this equal to what 120 degree. Hope you understood this one properly. These are not harder one. Try to learn properly. Okay. so that you can able to solve remaining part easily. Now in this question year 6, say in this diagram that is given 60 degree, 60 degree and x, you have to find out this one x. Okay, so now we can write this one. এইটোটো আমি লিখিব পাৰো যে আগৰ দৰে লিখিব লাগে an exterior angle okay of a triangle okay is equal to the what sum of its interior in, that is n, interior opposite angles. Okay, same thing as you have written here, that you have to write here. Okay, that means এই ভিতৰৰ যিকিটা কোণ থাকে উৎপন্ন কৰা এই কোণ দুটাৰ যোগফলৰ সমষ্টিটোৱে এইটো কোণৰ মাপটো হয়. So now we can write, therefore from the figure we have got, from this figure x equal to what, then we need the value of this one. So we know that after adding these two we will get this one. আমাক x or এই বহি কোণটোৰ মাপটো লাগে, ইয়াক আমি কি কৰিম, এই ভিতৰৰ কোণ দুটাৰ মাপ দুটাক যোগ কৰি দিলে আমি এই কোণটোৰ মাপটো পাম. So now we can write this on 60 degree plus 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree plus 60 degree. So this equal to what, 120 degree. Therefore the value of x, that means producing angle x, that means exterior angle x equal to what, how many degree, 120 degree. এই বহি কোণটোৰ মাপটো হ'ব x ৰ মানটো হ'ব কিমান ডিগ্ৰী কৰিব, 120 degree. So you can write here 120 degree. That is your answer. Okay, now next question is given here. See 125x and this one is given this one. So see from this figure, from this diagram, it is clear that is 90 degree. That means 90 degree. Yes. So you can write this one. See solution you write. Okay, the given triangle is, you write the given triangle is a what, right angle triangle. Okay, এক সমকোণ. Okay, 90 ডিগ্ৰী এটো কৰিব, এটো মানটো আমি মই এটো লিখি দিছো তোমালোকক জানিবৰ কাৰণে 90 ডিগ্ৰী কৰিব. গতিকে পদত্ব দিয়াৰ যেটো ত্ৰিভুজ, এই ত্ৰিভুজটো এটো মানটো কি হ'ব, right angle. Okay, so given triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay, so the angle opposite, you write there is the angle opposite okay to the x is always what, 90 degree. So mind it. So this one 90 degree. Okay, I hope you are understanding this one. The বিপরীত কোণটোৰ x or বিপরীত কোণটো 90 degree আমি লিখিলো. So therefore what you can write, therefore x plus 90, this equal to what, 125 degree. This is given here 125. So you write down this one. So this implies we need the value of x, we need the value of how many degrees producing in this one, that means x. So this one will be what, change its position. So bring this one to here, it is degree, this one to this side. Okay, this will go there. Then as per rule this sign will be changed. So that will be what, plus is there, that will be minus 90 degree. Yes, 90 degree. So you can write by transposing 90 degree from left hand side to right hand side. Yes, it becomes minus 90 degree. I want to repeat this one again. See, be careful. What, by transposing 90 degree from left hand side to right hand side, it becomes what, minus 90 degree. Here was plus, now it will be what, minus. This is most important one, be careful. So now this implies what, x equal to what, then just subtract this one. So this 5 will come there, then here 12, it will make 12 plus this one 3, then 12 subtract this one 9, then it will give what? 3. So degrees there. So now, so required, this one is equal to what? 35 degrees. So we have got this one, the value of x, this one, that means producing angle in this position, this equal to what? 35 degree. Yes. So now I hope you understood this one. So yato ami eketa koi dibo lage, etu homokon yato 90 degree koile, e 90 degree to ami ki koibo lage, yat jog kori ephale gole biug hoi gusi jay, aru etu biug koi dibo lage 125 degree pura 90 degree to biug koi dile ami jitu man pam hetu hobo tar x or man. Etia tomalকৰ সুবিধাৰ্থে মই আৰু এটা প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ ডাইৰেক্ট কৰি দিছো, তোমালকে সোৱা হেতু। ওকে, ইয়াত ফিগাৰটো দিছে, এটো দেখিছান তোমালকে x and y. So now from this figure it is clear that the rule, what the rule? From the rule of what? Vertically opposite angle. So x equal to y, vertically opposite angle hole x or সমান y হবই, হবনে? অর্থাৎ এইগিটা সদায় সমান হব কোন দুটা। এপিনে যদি 60 ডিগ্রি হয় ইফালে হব, ইফালে যদি 45 ডিগ্রি হয় ইফালে হব, ইফালে যদি 30 ডিগ্রি হয় ইফালেও 30 ডিগ্রি হব। So now you write, so yet angle sum property, that is the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. This one is always what? 180 degree. Yes. So now use x plus x equal to 180 degree. Now that is given. Yes. That is what? X plus x thrice x equal to what? 180 degree. So now we need the value of x. So just divide by this one. This will go downside. That means 180 degree by 3. Okay. Then after cancelling this one, we will get 60 degree. So now what happened? So this will be what then? This will be what then? X equal to what? 60 degree. So mind it. Hope you can able to solve this type of problem very easily. তোমালকে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ সমস্যাবোৰ সমাধান কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হ'বা বুলি ভাবিছো। আৰু মই ইংৰাজীত এই কাৰণে কৈছো, ভৱিষ্যতলৈ তোমালোকক ইংলিশটো বেছি প্ৰয়োজন হ'ব, হেহে তোমালকে ইংলিশখিনি জনাটো অতি প্ৰয়োজনীয় বুলি মই ভাবো। So I'm explaining English here because for Assamese medium student, I want to tell you, in future time you have to write in English so that you better learn English from now onwards. Thank you.